Boba Fett. Right, whole series. I haven't seen it yet. I want to draw him. You can tell me if it's any good, and then if you tell me it's good, I'll watch it. Okay, it's all helmet, so not my normal comfortable ground of wiggly lines and faces. It's all metal, isn't he? Oh, Fetty. Fetty, Bubbas. Bubblooba. Babbalooba bub. Boo boo boo. What's this thing? Anyway, it's all simple shapes. I haven't done anything complex so far. Straight over like that. Line across like that. Line. Easy. Lines. Lionel. It's all Lionel. There we go. I'll age that up on the colour stage and make it look a bit cooler. Get the colours right. Then we need to go across here and here. Make that look a bit more dynamic there and metally. Something on the side there as well. There we go, come down here. Easy. So if you like lines and you're confident with a few straight lines, a few bendy lines, and you're the opposite to me and you like straight lines and not faces and things, then you're going to find Boba Fett really easy. I'm finding it a little challenging, I'm not going to lie. He's got this little bit here. I don't do technicals, I don't do straight lines. It's not in my nature. I want to draw cartoons of wiggly people. Little sticker on there, I don't know what that says. Probably from, I don't know, Burger King or something. Probably got that. Do you think Boba Fett goes to Burger King? Answer down below in the comments. If so, what does he get? He's looking like a proper robot now, right? We'll just do a head and torso bit here, so the arm's going to come straight down. We'll just... That's it, so it's something like that. This one will come to life at the colour stage. It's not looking amazingly exciting at the moment, is it? But I think with a bit of work, bit of light and shade, bit of few clever lines. It'll come good, hopefully. You be the judge. Okay, then down to these gauntlet things he's got on his arms here. If you have seen this series, who's your favourite? What do you like? Okay, you can see that last bit. Sorry, I was drawing too low. Alright, we'll leave it at that point for the pencil stage. That's how far we got down. I just want to add some links on there actually. That didn't come down far enough, so I'm just going to move that down. Oh, let me move this up so you can see. There we go, there we go. Okay, there we go. Roughly in the right direction there. We'll go to inking. I really want to know if you have seen this and what you think of it. I mean, all I know is that
The new thrilling Star Wars adventure Book of Boba Fett finds legendary bounty hunter Boba Fett and mercenary Fennec Shard navigating the galaxy's underworld when they return to the sands of Tatooine to stake their claim on the territory once ruled by Jabba the Hutt and his crime syndicate. I mean, I know that, obviously.
But don't know much else about it, but very excited to see it. I think it could be really, really cool. He's an excellent character. Now, many of you will know Boba Fett from obviously previous Star Wars and Mandalorian knives. But he first made his appearance, his initial debut appearance was in Empire Strikes Back, which was in 1980. It's over 40 years ago. It's even older than me. I know. The helmet's definitely my favourite thing about this drawing. But maybe we should do a drawing of him without the helmet as well, because that'd be something. Let me know if you think that would be fun. Let's give Boba some colour. So, filling off the bits I'm going to be colouring in, starting with that dark grey, because as you know, we have very sparingly used black in these sort of drawings. Various shades of grey will do the trick. And then putting that green over the top there. It is, it's an interesting shade of green they've got on there. I'm not sure I've got it really quite right with this one. It looks a little light, but maybe we'll use that as a highlight colour. It's coming together, adding a bit of gold on there, that looks pretty cool. I like the green and gold together. This is one of those drawings that's really coming alive with the shadows. It really needs the shadows. The shadows beneath the helmet, the shadows within the helmet. Even on the armour here, it's making it look a lot nicer with those shadows in place. I think that's really important. Some highlights on top of the armour as well. You can see on top of the helmet and on top of those some of armour plates on his chest there. That I think that's making a big difference. A few more gold bits in here, but it's really starting to come together. Old Boba here. Boba's, as I'm sure you're aware, one of the most common names in the world. Because, I mean, everybody knows a Boba, don't they? Boba. There's one down in your local shop, at school or work. Probably a few Bobas hanging around. You might even be called Boba. Let me know if you're called Boba. Just for no reason at all right now, I'm going to mention how artistic license is a thing, and things don't have to be exactly like the thing they're representing. Okay, so colours can be different and shapes can also be different. Just, for no reason I'm going to mention that at this point. Final touches on our bounty hunting friend, and there he is. Look at that, and that is the thumbnail that you probably clicked on before you watched this video. Hope you enjoyed this one, guys. I'll see you next time.